Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you where to locate your battery on your Honda Pioneer 700 QuickFlip 4. And so the battery is located underneath the front seat. So you just have to pull up on the very front of it and pull the seat out and just set it to the side. Then over here on the passenger side, we're going to have to pull this rubber back over that little hook on the corner there. Just pull it back, and your battery is located here on the back side of the passenger side. And then whenever you're done doing what you got to do, just make sure you flip this rubber back over and hook it in on the corner. And then we're going to place our seat back in. We've got to make sure these knobs on the back here of the seat are going to line up with the holes here on the body. So we're going to slide those in first. And then before pressing down on the front of the seat, you just want to make sure that these front alignment pins are lined up with the seat and the base on both sides. And once they are, you go ahead and press down on it, and your seat's back on. And that's it, guys. That's how you locate your battery. Thanks for watching.